Hey, greetings everyone. This is Tony Hollowitz. Thank you for being here for this quick tutorial. So I had a client reach out to me and said, you know what? One of my employees got into ACT and made the sidebar, this blue bar over here, disappear. They clicked on something and they weren't sure what they did. This is a real easy fix. I'm going to click on this little arrow here, and I suspect that's what this person did. And when I click on this little arrow, it shrinks this sidebar in. It gives you some extra real estate. To bring it back out, there's a little arrow here now pointing to the right. Just simply click on it. Now, if your screen or your monitor is of the size where you don't see that arrow, and I'm going to try to help you illustrate that. I'm going to press the Control key down and the plus key, and you'll notice now things over here on the left are hidden. If I just scroll up and down a little bit, eventually you'll see the arrow. So really simple to fix. Just click on it, shrinks it in, come back, bring it out. That's it. Okay, my friends, you have a great one. Be well. Bye now.